Hello, today we are going to learn how to find the inverse element of any given circle, which can be another circle or sometimes a line with respect to a reference circle. The inversion in a circle is a transformation which transforms one point A into its inverse point A prime, whose distances from the origin O equal the square of the radius of the circle, which defines the inversion and satisfies the equation R squared is equal to OA times OA prime. Circumference 3, which intersects the reference circle at 2 points, 5 and 6. And its circumference doesn't pass through the origin O of the reference circle. The inverse circle of circumference 3 is another circle which we will call circumference C3 prime, which also intersects the reference circle at the same intersection points 5 and 6. And its center point O3 prime is going to be located on the elongation of the line segment O03. So the first step is to join origins O and O3 and elongate it as shown, and we will call this line T. This line T intersects with the circumference of circumference 3 at a new point E, highlighted here with a red dot. So the next step is to work out the inverse point of this point E. To do this, we are going to draw a perpendicular line to the line T from point E until it cuts the circumference of the reference circle at a new point, which we will call point 7. And now we join the origin O with the new point 7. And from the new point 7, we draw a perpendicular line until it cuts our previously elongated line T at a new point, which we will call E prime. And this is the inverse of the point E. Now we are going to join points 6 and E prime. The inverse circle C3 prime of the given circle C3 passes through the points 6 and 5 and E prime. So to find the center point O3 prime of this circle, we have to work out the perpendicular bisector of the line segment E prime 6. So to do this, setting our compass on point 6 and with a radius slightly longer than half the length of the line segment E prime 6, we draw an arc above and below the line as shown here. And now with the same radius and setting the compass on the point E prime, we draw another 2 arcs intersecting our previously drawn arcs. So now we will join these 2 intersections, which is the perpendicular bisector, which cuts the line T at a point we are looking for, which is O3 prime, which is the center point of the circle C3 prime, which has a radius O3 prime E prime. And now we will draw it here in a thicker red line, as can be seen here in the video. As you can see here in green, the tangent lines converge on the origin O of the reference circle, as can be seen here. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to, you can always support us by pressing the super thanks button. Until the next video, thank you very much.